How to add company email in Outlook Mobile? Open the Outlook application and sign into your Outlook account. Then tap on Profile at the top left corner of the screen. Go to Gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. So when you tap on Gear icon, you'll get access to the settings page, where under General you have to tap on Accounts. So when you get access to this Accounts page, you have to tap on Add Account. Now at the top you can see Add an email account. So you have to tap on it. Now here you can easily add your company email. Once you have entered your company email, you have to tap on Continue button at the bottom of the screen. So while you tap on continue, you'll be taken to the other pages where you have to complete your login process in order to add account. And once your login process has been completed, you can easily log into your company's email account, and that's how we can easily add company email in Outlook Mobile. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.